Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are doing well at home. So, today I welcome you all to your GK class. This is your GK teacher. In this class, I am going to introduce vegetables today. Chapter 11 Vegetables Quiz, page number 50. Dear children, vegetables form an important part of our daily diet. The market is full with varieties of vegetables. Veggies are naturally good and contain lots of minerals and vitamins. They help in protecting our body against various diseases. Almost all the vegetables are low in fat and calories. None have cholesterol and many of them are great source of fiber. Vegetables keep the digestive system healthier. Vegetables gives us energy to become more active. It also helps you lead a healthy lifestyle. Now, children, if you eat green leafy vegetables, you will be healthy and strong enough to play, to learn, to write, and to enjoy. So, I hope you all will start eating vegetables now. So, children, now I will introduce you the vegetables given in this picture. So, we will start with the top. Number one is spinach. Spinach in Hindi we call it palak. It is a green leafy vegetable, very tasty and healthy for us. Second, cabbage. Next is cauliflower. In Hindi we call it phool gobi. Next, aram. Aram in Hindi we call it arvi. Next, broccoli. In Hindi, we also call it broccoli. Next, potatoes. In Hindi, we call it aloo. Next, bottle gourds. In Hindi, we call it lauki. Next, pumpkin. In Hindi, we call it sita phal. Next is capsicum. In Hindi, we call it Shimla Mirch. Next, tomatoes. In Hindi, we call it Tamatar. Next is cucumbers. In Hindi, we call it Kheere. The next is onions. In Hindi, we call it Pyaz. And next picture is of garlic. In Hindi, we call it Lehsun. Ladies' fingers. In Hindi, we call it bhindi. Next, peas. In Hindi, we call it matar. Next is brinjals. Somewhere brinjals are also called eggplant. So don't get confused. Brinjals and eggplant are same. In Hindi, we call it bangan. Next is ginger. In Hindi, we call it adrak. French beans. In Hindi also we call it French beans only. Next is lemon. In Hindi, we call lemon neembu. Next is striped pear gourds. In Hindi, we call it parval. Next, kidney beans. In Hindi, we call them सेम की फलियाँ. Next, chilies. Chilies, we call them mirch in Hindi. Next, turnip. In Hindi, we call it shalgam. Next, fenugreek. In Hindi, we call it methi. Next, carrots. Carrots are called gajar in Hindi. Next is ridge gourd. In Hindi, we call it torei. Next, bitter gourd. In Hindi, we call it karela. And the last picture is radishes. In Hindi, we call it mooli. Okay, children. Now, mostly all the vegetables I have introduced. Now, look at the real vegetables. These vegetables are available in my house. So, I am showing you. In this plate, we have a bitter gourd, a ridge gourd, and a bottle gourd, tomatoes, ginger, lemon, chilies, potatoes, and onion. Now, children, the pictures and the spellings of these vegetables you have to learn thoroughly. Okay, take care of the spellings while learning. Learn them correctly. I can ask you anytime, any day about the spellings. In the oral class also, in videos also, I can take test anytime. Do exercise of page number 15 in book. Thank you and have a nice day.